Feng Wang.
That's a lot tougher for someone who's not drunk. Who's not drunk?
I want to be
Pisses me off.
Dude, I was really drunk earlier.
Wait. Next one.
Next one. Feng Wang. Fucked up asshole. I saying touch my wing. It's funny till you wake up.
What's the next one?
No, and now for the real definition.
I know.
Wait,
God-bearing individual.
Are you good, huh? Do you need to pass on the reading torch? That's the next one. Let's hear it.
Trying dildo, a vagina, a dildo. Jessica, legitimate Asian child.
No, I was gonna say my response is a little racist.
For being a Jew, you're hella racist. You really are, Chad.
I'm sorry.
All right, wait. Next one. Next one.
Oh my God, that's
wait.
Oh, no wonder you said it like that.
Oh, fuck. Wait. Everyone, shh. Next reading.
That was written.
Trying dildo.
No, that's the wrong word.
Flip it over. We gotta flip it over.
Oh shit,
We're on Feng Wang, yeah.
this is GGC, dude.
That's crazy.
What?
The front side is GGC.
Throw it away.
No, dude, this is his.
That's a fucking
process that Chinese people undergo to become sexually mature.
That was dumb.
Sarah, is that what's been going through your mind this whole time? Is that why you don't talk to Chinese people?
The process that Chinese people undergo to become sexually mature.
Wait, what's the next one? Or you like literally moved your hips.
Feng Wang.
Wait, what's the next one? Let's hear it. I can't even read it
out loud.
Give me it.
Alright,
Here, let's see.
you stand up.
I have to stand up. Son of a bitch.
This is class, Tony.
Introduce yourself.
Feng Wei, an annual Oriental orgy which occurs in Thailand during the Freedom.
Wait. Repeat it back.
Okay, Feng Wei.
Orgy, that's all I heard.
Feng Wei, an annual Oriental orgy which occurs in Thailand during the Fushu Festival. Who wrote this? Hold the camera at yourself. What's the next one? Let's see.
Yeah, what is this Fuji Festival?
I made it up.
All right.
I would have thought it was real.
Feng Wei 2. Someone put 2 at the bottom of the world. Popular Chinese porn star? Who did this?
That one was great. Good job, guys. I would know yours, man.
Hey, we made some movies together.
Just because there's a 2 after it. I love how we had the most fun with Chinese.